What?
No, do your silly eyes and then I'll show you. Where's Miles?
Get down.
You ready to get down?
See, get down.
What about Graham? Graham, did you have a good lunch?
Get down.
Graham, are you doing silly eyes? You have silly face.
Nose all flat.
He has yogurt all over his nose and mouth. I think we're gonna have to change your shirt.
Get down. Get down. Get down.
Miles,
Get down.
can you show me your eye thing again? Turn a little more towards the camera and do it.
Get down.
Okay.